What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video we're going to talk about a bunch of kind of advanced, some not advanced, but a lot of cool tricks about the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. If you want to pick them up, they're linked down below. Let's get into the video. The first one is quick control. So if you go onto your phone, you swipe down, you're going to see that you can see the volume control right here, as long as they're connected, obviously. Press and hold on that volume control, and you can see a bunch of stuff about your buds. You can see the battery life. You can quickly switch between the activities in there in terms of like ambient sound and active noise cancellation, adaptive sound, all of that. You can also control the adaptive sound volume. You can change the 360 audio, turn that on or off. You can change your equalizers. You can do a lot of stuff on here. You can turn on loudness normalizations, a bunch of stuff in there that you can do. And when you do that, the other cool thing is if you come back in here and you're playing Spotify, for instance, or any media app for video or audio, and you long press on that volume right there, you're going to see I can actually set specific settings for each app. So if I have YouTube or Spotify, like I said, I can have it. Maybe I love having like 360 on while I'm listening to this. I can turn that on or have it off. I can set a specific equalizer as well. And it'll be for that media app and it'll remember those settings. It's really, really nice and convenient to have. Any and all these settings you see on this little page right here, it will remember it for you all the time, no matter which app it is, as long as it's a media app. For this next one, go into your camera app, tap on the settings button, go down to advanced video options, and then scroll down. You're going to see 360 audio recording. If you turn that on, it's going to use your buds to record 3D or 360 degree sound. It could be pretty neat, and it'll happen when you do video and you have your earbuds in. Pretty neat feature. Now, I showed you one way to access your buds, but you can also do it if you go into just general settings. You'll see them at the top here. You'll see the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. You can just tap into them and you have full control over the app itself for the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. You can also do it in your SmartThings app. So open that up, go into devices on the left there, and then you're going to see your buds. Tap on those and you can come in here and control these. You can go to device settings right there and it brings you into the controls as well. Now you see the settings at the top there from off, ambient sound, adaptive, and active noise cancellation. If you set it to adaptive, it will adapt to your surroundings, meaning if there's a lot of, if you're in a closed environment and it thinks you should have it quiet, it's going to turn on active noise cancellation. Or if you're in an area where maybe you're talking and there's a lot of people around you talking, it might turn on ambient sound, vice versa. It'll decide for you so you don't have to always switch back and forth between what you're doing. Right below that, you're going to see auto switch to ambient sound. Tap on that. Now you can turn this on so that like when you hear his voices, it'll go into adaptive ambient sound, and same thing with sirens. The ones I would turn it on, I think the most important are siren detection. So hit OK to that, and use ambient sound during call. So when you're talking on the phone call, it will hear your voice. And I love that. Like it's literally going to make your voice audibly picked up through the microphone so you hear yourself better while you're talking to that person. Next, if you want to get the best quality sound that these buds can do, go into sound quality and effects, go down to advanced quality options, turn on ultra high quality audio and super wideband speech. Now that's super wideband speech is going to give you the best phone call quality that you can hear. And also with the ultra high quality audio, that's going to give you the best sound quality that you're going to hear for your music, your audiobook, your video, whatever you're listening to. The only problem is if you're watching a video or playing a game, the lips might not match up as good as they possibly could, but you're going to be getting the best sound. Still under sound quality and effects, you'll see adapt sound. So if you tap on that, now most people might be under 30 or 30 to 60 or over 60, but basically you can come in here and automatically set the best sound that it thinks you will get based off your age. Now I'm in the 30 to 60 range, so I chose that one. And I honestly, right when I switched it, I was like, you know what? That actually does sound better for me. So I kept that on, and whatever age range you're in, go in there, set it, and you set it and forget it, like Ron Propel said, whatever his name was. You can turn that on or off, the adapt sound. I keep it on. I think it's a nice feature. Next, go into where it says manage connections. Go into where it says seamless earbud connection. So if you have this on, it'll switch quickly and easily to nearby devices without disconnecting your buds or turning on pairing mode. This works with any nearby devices that are signed into your Samsung account. So like I have multiple phones. If you have multiple phones or tablets or laptops that are logged in with a Samsung account, this will automatically switch to those devices when you start playing audio. It's a really helpful feature if you have multiple devices. If you find that annoying, turn this off. Also under managed connections, you're going to see auto switch buds. Tap into that. And what you're going to end up seeing in here is you can have it so again, that your specific devices will connect to other devices if you make a call or answer a call or play media. Just kind of like what I was saying before. Next, go into advanced features and read notifications aloud. Tap on play on earbuds. If you want to hear your notification in just briefly or full detail, you can switch it right there. I chose in detail. You can also choose specific apps to get notifications, so you can customize that. I really just have like missed calls and I think messages, but you can come in here and a lot of the stuff I don't want to hear through my buds. It just interrupts what I'm doing and I don't really want to hear it. Yeah, I have it off for messages, got a little bit long in the tooth, but you can come in here and choose any or all apps. It depends on you what you want. All you do is just tap on or off right there. And you can see read in detail or read it briefly. So you can set that as well on an app by app basis. Still under advanced features, you're going to see in-ear detection. It's probably already on, but basically plays through your phone speaker when both earbuds are removed. I like that, so it'll turn off my earbuds if I remove mine. I just want to take the call regularly. Also, while playing media, you can pause media when an earbud is removed and resume it when an earbud is inserted. So if you don't want to just hear media when one earbud is on or off, you can control it right there. I like it to completely stop, so I keep this off. Still under advanced features, go to labs now. And I can't turn this on because I have ultra high quality audio turned on, but if you don't use that, you can turn this on. And this is really gonna be when you're playing video games, the lips and the audio and all that stuff will just match up perfectly with this feature on. Go back to the main screen of the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, go into accessibility. A lot of people probably wouldn't go in here, but one of the cool things I think is in here is you can have adapt sound. So if you tap on that, it's kind of what I already showed you in case you missed it in the first spot, but you can also turn it on here as well. If you can't find your buds, tap on find my earbuds. It'll show it on a map. You can buzz it, do all that stuff. Next, go into earbuds software update. Tap in there and in the top right, you see the three dots. Tap that, go to auto update, and you can have it so your buds automatically can choose. I choose Wi-Fi or mobile data no matter what. So no matter connection I'm on, it'll automatically update my buds. I would say choose that. You most likely have unlimited data, or even if you don't, the updates are pretty small anyway, so you shouldn't have any issues. Next, go into about earbuds. And this is where you can rename your earbuds. Come in here, type whatever you want, hit rename, and that's the new name of your buds. On the main screen of the Galaxy Buds app, go into earbud controls, and you can control what you want the things to do. So for instance, if I pinch and hold my left earbud, it's going to turn on the interpreter, but you can have it go into your digital assistant or Bixby or switch your noise controls. Same thing with the right, you can choose, or you can just turn those features off. And then you also have certain things with answering in and calls. You can pinch or pinch and hold. Same thing with media controls. You can turn those things on and off and it tells you what to do. If you have the new magnetic charger for the Samsung Galaxy Buds, now it doesn't connect magnetically, but it will charge your buds if you just sit it on top there. Pretty neat, right?